Can you do it? You try. Good job. Look at there. You just have to push it a little harder. Whoa, whoa. See, look.
Oh, cool.
Oh, no.
No, no.
Okay, you can do it. You're a big boy. You're right.
Yeah, he's going. He is pretty clueless, I think. Yeah,
He's laughing at
we'll wait until
himself.
we strap him into the airplane and see. Oh yeah, she's doing great. Very good. I'm sorry?